Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourself, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Your next promotion is not just a step up in your career, it's a step closer to your dreams, your respect and your financial growth. The bank promotion exams 2026-2027 are your golden opportunity and I am here to make sure you grab it with both hands. In this journey, we'll learn smart strategies, master important topics, and tackle questions just like this exam demands. Remember, success does not come to those who wait, it comes to those who prepare. So let's start today. Prepare smartly and make your promotion in 2026-2027 a reality. Welcome to part 21 of my Path to the Corner Office 2026-2027 series, where we break down real bank promotion exam questions and give you clear, practical sample answers to help you climb the career ladder faster. The subject Deposit Products, Miscellaneous Deposit. Question. If a bank official reaches the customer's registered address at the appointed time but cannot deliver the doorstep service due to reasons attributable to the customer, what happens to the applicable charges? Option A, they are waived entirely. Option B, they are payable by the customer and recovered from the account. Option C, they are borne by the bank officials personally. Option D, they are carried forward to the next request free of charge. Correct answer is option B, they are payable by the customer and recoverable from the account. Question. If a doorstep banking service remains undelivered due to technical failure or reasons attributable to the bank official or agent, what is the treatment of charges? Option A, half the charges are recovered. Option B, full charges are still recovered. Option C, no charges should be recovered. Option D, charges are recovered only after receiving complaint. Correct answer is option C, no charges should be recovered. Under the termination clause, on what ground may the bank suspend or terminate doorstep services without giving prior notice to the customer? Option A, only if the customer requests a change of branch. Option B, if the customer has breached the terms or the bank learns of death, bankruptcy, or lack of legal capacity of the customer. Option C, only after a minimum 6 month cooling period. Option D, only with the prior RBI approval. Correct answer is option B. If the customer has breached the terms or the bank learns of death, bankruptcy, or lack of legal capacity of the customer. Question. If a customer wishes to terminate the doorstep banking agreement on account of the bank's own violations, what is required? Option A, immediate termination is automatic with no notice. Option B, a 30-day written notice through immediate termination request depend on the bank's discretion. Option C, a 90-day notice with no discretion allowed. Option D, termination is not permitted for the customer at all. Correct answer is option B. The 30-day written notice, though immediate termination request, depend on the bank's discretion. Question. Under the governing law clause, disputes arising from the terms shall ordinarily be brought before courts at option A, the customer's place of residence only. Option B, the place of signing the agreement, though the bank may commence action in any other appropriate forum at this discretion. Option C, the bank's head office location exclusively. Option D, any consumer forum chosen by the customer. Correct answer is option B, the place of signing of the agreement, though the bank may commence action in any other appropriate forum at its discretion. Question. Doorstep banking services are proposed for senior citizens above what age, along with differently able or infirm persons with certified chronic illness or disability. Option A 60 years, option B 65 years, option C 70 years, option D 75 years. Correct answer is option C 70 years. Question. Which of the following is not listed among the doorstep banking services proposed for eligible senior citizens? Option A, check pickup. Option B, life certificate pickup. Option C, cash pickup and cash delivery facility. Option D, opening of a new fixed deposit account. Correct answer is option D, opening of a new fixed deposit account. Question. As per the RBI's definitions, a current account is best described as option A interest bearing time deposit account. Option B, a non-interest bearing demand deposit account allowing withdrawals any number of times up to an agreed limit. Option C, an account limited to 5 withdrawals per month. Option D, an account that must always carry a fixed maturity date. Correct answer is option B, a non-interest bearing demand deposit account allowing withdrawals any number of times up to an agreed limit. Question. Legal heirs of a deceased current account holders are paid interest on the credit balance from the date of death till settlement at what rate? Option A, the rate applicable to term deposits of matching tenure. Option B, the rate applicable to savings bank deposits. Option C, no interest is payable to legal heirs. Option D, a flat 4% per annum regardless of prevailing rates. Correct answer is option B, the rate applicable to savings bank deposits. Question. Which of the following entities is expressly listed as eligible to open a current account? Option A joint into family or firm. Option B, a minor without a guardian. Option C, a political party. Option D, a regional rural bank not sponsored by the bank for interest purposes. Correct answer is option A joint into family or firm. Question. What is the term used for non-operating accounts that branches may open in approved cases where under current accounts? Option A, sundry deposit accounts. Option B, collection accounts. Option C, nodal accounts. Option D, escrow accounts. Correct answer is option B, collection accounts. Question. When opening an account for a customer who is a natural person, basic due diligence requires obtaining sufficient identification through option A, any two utility bill. Option B, a self-attested copy of one of the officially valid documents verified against the original, only an employer's letter. Option D, a notarized affidavit of identity. Correct answer is option B, a self-attested copy of one of the officially valid documents verified against the original. Question. For a proprietorship firm account, in addition to the individual OBD, how many of the listed business activity documents must be obtained to establish the firm's existence? Option A, any one document is always sufficient. Option B, any two of the listed documents deemed as OBD. Option C, all eight listed documents without exception. Option D, none. A proprietorship declaration alone suffices. Correct answer is option B, any two of the listed documents deemed as OBD. Question. If a proprietorship concern cannot furnish two of the prescribed business activity documents, but the branch is satisfied with the customer's explanation, what must the branch additionally do? Option A, refuse to open the account outright. Option B, accept only one document as proof and undertake contact point verification. Option C, refer the matter directly to the Reserve Bank of India for a waiver. Option D, open the account without any documentation at all. Correct answer is option B, accept only one document as proof and undertake contact point verification. Question. For a partnership firm account, which of the following is required in addition to documents for natural persons? Option A partnership letter in the bank's format and the partnership deed if registered. Option B, a no objection certificate from all other banks in India. Option C, a memorandum of association signed by all partners. Option D, a certificate of incorporation from the registrar of the companies. Correct answer is option A partnership letter in the bank's format and the partnership deed if registered. Question. For a trust account, apart from registration certificate and trust deed, which additional document specific to trustee must be obtained? Option A, a specimen of indemnity letter by trustee. Option B, a share certificate of the trust. Option C, a GST registration certificate. Option D, a memorandum of association. Correct answer is option A specimen of indemnity letter by trustees. Question. For a company account, which of the following documents is specifically required in addition to standard identity documents of the natural persons involved? Option A, regulations of the board of directors conveying authority to operate the account. Option B, a caste certificate of the majority shareholder. Option C, a income tax return of each individual shareholder. Option D, a no objection certificate from the stock exchanges. Correct answer is option A, regulations of the board of directors conveying authority to operate the account. Question. In the case of a Hindu undivided family HUF account, what specific documents are required in addition to the standard identity documents? Option A, declaration from the Karta and the joint Hindu family letter signed by the Karta and major co-personers. Option B, a registered partnership deed. Option C, memorandum and articles of association. Option D, a trust deed registered with the sub-registrar. Correct answer is option A declaration from the Karta and a joint Hindu family letter signed by the Karta and major co-personers. Question. When a proof document furnishes both identity and current address in a single document, what should the branch do? Option A, still insist on two separate documents. Option B, accept only that single document as both identity and address proof. Option C, reject the document as insufficient. Option D, ask for a notarized translation. Correct answer is option B, accept only that single document as both identity and address proof. Question. A firm or company opening a current account must give a declaration regarding borrowing facilities. If the firm enjoys credit facilities with other banks, what must it do? Option A, nothing. Disclosure is optional. Option B, give full particulars of such facilities along with the names of the banks concerned. Option C, close all other accounts before opening the new one. Option D, pay an upfront penalty to the new bank. Correct answer is option B, give full particulars of such facilities along with the names of the banks concerned. Question. Who is authorized to sanction a temporary overdraft in a current account in terms of the standard delegation framework? Option A, any cashier at the counter. Option B, the manager as per the extent of authority under the delegation of powers. Option C, only the general manager regardless of amount. Option D, the customer's introducer. Correct answer is option B, the manager as per the extent of authority under the delegation of powers. Question. What is the maximum permissible duration typically associated with the temporary overdraft in a current account? Option A, 7 days. Option B, 15 days. Option C, 30 days. Option D, 90 days. Correct answer is option C, 30 days. Question. Interest on checks or instruments sent for collections that are delayed beyond the specified period is payable to the customer only when option A, the delay exceeds 1 year. Option B, the amount of interest works out to rupees 5 or more. Option C, the customer files a formal police complaint. Option D, the instrument was lost in transit. Correct answer is option B, the amount of interest works out to rupees 5 or more. Question. Current accounts maintained by regional rural banks with the sponsor bank earn interest. Option A, at a fixed statutory rate of 4% per annum. Option B, at the rate mutually agreed between the RRB and sponsor bank, presently nil, reviewed periodically. Option C, always at the savings bank rate. Option D, no interest is ever paid under any circumstances. Correct answer is option B, at the rate mutually agreed between the RRB and the sponsor bank, presently nil, reviewed periodically. Question. Balance confirmation letters need not orderly be sent to all current account holders except when which categories? Option A, overdraft accounts, trust accounts, and non-resident accounts. Option B, only non-resident accounts. Option C, only accounts above rupees 10 lakh balance. Option D, all current account holders without exception. Correct answer is option A, overdraft accounts, trust accounts, and non-resident accounts. Question. Balance confirmation letters are ordinarily dispatched once a year as of which date? Option A, 30th March, 30th June. Option B, 31st March. Option C, 31st December. Option D, 30th September. Correct answer is option B, 31st March. Question. As per the instructions on posting entries in current account statements, how many standard abbreviations may be used to avoid confusing customers? Option A, 6. Option B, 8. Option C, 10. Option D, 12. Correct answer is option D, 12. Question. Current account statements to account holders should ideally be prepared and dispatched within how many days from the date to which the statement relates? Option A, 2 days. Option B, 5 days. Option C, 10 days. Option D, 15 days. Correct answer is option B, 5 days. Question. When a customer requests return of paid checks periodically, what is the minimum period for which the last copy of the statement serving as duplicate voucher should be preserved along with return checks? Option A, 3 years. Option B, 5 years. Option C, 8 years. Option D, 10 years. Correct answer is option C, 8 years. Thank you very much for your patience. Request to like, subscribe, and share.